Okay, now student, we have completed the lesson. Exercise A, B and C we have done in the last class. Now you have to do question answers of chapter 1. Exercise D, open page number 13. Question number 1 is, what is networking? Give some common relevant example. For this, open page number 7. First you have to write, a computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. So this is the definition, and some relevant examples you have to write from this box. All the examples you have to write: network of roads and railways, communication network of telephone system, network of banks, ATM machines, radio and television network, video conferencing, a network of malls, schools, hospitals, etc. all over the country. So this all the examples you have to write. So this is the answer number 1. Now question number 2 is, differentiate between LAN and WAN. For this, open page number 11. So you have to make this table for difference between LAN and WAN. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All 4 difference you have to write. First is, LAN is restricted to a limited geographical area. WAN covers greater distance and operates nationwide. Second is, LAN computer terminals are physically connected with wires. WAN computer terminals are not physically connected with wires. Third is, data speed is slow and WAN data speed is fast. Fourth, a few data transmission error can occur, and in the WAN larger data transmission error can occur. So this is the answer number 2. Now question number 3 is, what do you understand by network security? So you have to write from here also. Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. So this is the answer number 3. Now move on to question number 4. Name the main networking components. So components are, first is network card, second networking cable, third is modem, fourth is hubs and switches. Now question number 5. Write any four advantages of networking and explain it. So this is on page number 8. So these are the advantages. Networking is computer being efficiency, economic and effectiveness in an organization. So first advantage is, you have to write efficient use of storage media and you have to explain it also. Second, preserving information. Third, reduction in hardware cost, and fourth is efficiency. So these 4 advantages with explanation you have to write. This is the answer number 5. Now turn the page number 14. Define the following terms. So first define is WAN. For this, open page number 10. So for WAN explanation you have to write from here. This kind of network connects 2 or more computers located at distant places. They are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication or satellite signals. The most common example of WAN type network is telecom system. First you have to write till here. After that you have to write the best example of WANs are. So these 3 examples you have to write. So this is the define number 1. Now next is modem. For this, open page number 9. So you have to start from here. Modem enables you to connect your computer to the available internet connection over the existing telephone lines. It converts the digital signals of a computer into analog signal to enable their transmission via phone lines. Only till phone lines you have to write, and you have to draw this diagram also. Okay, this modem diagram also you have to draw. So this is the define number 2. Now define number 3, router. For this, open page number 9. So you have to start from here. Access point or routers are used instead of hubs and switches. These have a wireless antenna which increase the communication range of the radio signal. Access point can also be used to join a wired network, thus making the network a combination of wired as well as wireless network. Also you have to draw this router diagram. So this is the define number 3. Now next number 4 is node. Open page number 7. So you have to write from here. The computers in a network can communicate with each other as well as work independently. Each computer in a network is called a node. This is the answer number 4. So define number 5 is network card. Open page number 8. So you have to start from here. Network card is used to physically attach a computer to a network so that it can participate in network communication. Ethernet network card is the most commonly used network card. Nowadays most computer motherboards come with an inbuilt network card. So this is the define number 5.